Good morning, owl room. Good morning, owl room. Good morning, owl room. We're glad you're here today. Today's question of the day will be done during our Zoom calls, so make sure you come to those. Right now, we'll do some of our letters. This is the letter M. Yes. Who starts with letter M? I do. Who else starts with letter M? One of our friends from our room. Let me know if you said her name. But also, Monster Truck starts with letter M. Let's all make that sound. M. Right, now we have the letter N. Yes. Who starts with the letter N? I hope you said our friend's name from our classroom. Also, Nutcracker starts with the letter N. Let's make the N sound. Okay. What is this letter? This is the letter T. What starts with the letter T? Tree. That's right. Let's make the T sound. T. Now we have the letter S. Is there anyone in our classroom that starts with the letter S? I hope you said it if there is. But also, Sloth starts with the letter S. Let's make the S sound. What is this letter? This is the letter C. Yes. Who in our classroom starts with the letter C? We have two friends. I hope you say their names. Also, Car starts with the letter C. Let's make the C sound.
Hey! We're playing toes.
What is this letter? This is the letter L. We have two friends in our classroom that starts with the letter L. I hope you said their names. Also, Legos start with the letter L. Legos. Let's make the L sound. L. And now we have the letter B. Yes. What starts with the letter B? We have two friends in our classroom that start with the letter B. I hope you can remember their names. And Ball starts with the letter B.
Not me on it.
Ball. And last letter is the letter J. Yes, we have a friend that starts with the letter J. I hope you say his name. And Jeep starts with the letter J. Jeep. Let's say the sound. J. Thank you, friends.